Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up settings, and in here we're gonna click on About Phone, swipe down and select Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, so go over this, see if there isn't anything that you'd like to keep, something like, for instance, your photos, videos, music, contacts, or generally all user data. And if there isn't, you can progress further. If there is, you can also technically progress further, as if we confirm our screen lock, if you have one, it will give you the option to back up right here. But I do want to point out, if you are planning to back up your device, I would recommend backing it up yourself to something like your computer manually, rather than using this automatic cloud backup, as this is just a way for you to share your personal data with, for instance, Xiaomi, as it's going to their clouds, and they're still gonna dictate when you can restore this data or not, which means that, as an example, if you have another phone, new one that isn't Xiaomi, you don't have access to this backup. And furthermore, after 2 years, if you don't do anything with that backup, it gets deleted. So it's absolutely useless. Anyway, I don't have anything here to back up, so I'm going to select Factory Reset. Now, Xiaomi considers their user base to be a bunch of idiots, considering they do have a little timer that blocks you from progressing further, just to drive it that this will delete all data. Like the first page wasn't clear enough about that, we have a second one, and a third one too, which is another 10 seconds of your life that it gets wasted that you will never get back. Thanks, Xiaomi, very nice. Now, once this timer passes, you can click on OK. And this will now begin factory resetting your device, and this process will take about a minute or two max to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with an Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.